Why Newark, New Jersey is the next strategic investment frontier for. Ladies and gentlemen, when investors look for opportunity, they often look too late. They chase markets after they've already peaked. They enter after the infrastructure is complete. They buy when appreciation is already priced in. But the real wealth, the generational wealth, is built during transformation, and that transformation is happening right now in Newark. A city that has already proven it can reinvent itself. Newark is no longer a speculative story. Over the past 2 decades, this city has experienced a renaissance. We've seen billions in downtown redevelopment Class A, high-rise luxury apartment towers, corporate relocations and expansions, transit-oriented development, strong absorption rates in multifamily. Major institutions like Prudential Financial, Panasonic and Audible have anchored confidence here. Luxury towers have risen, vacancy rates have tightened, rent growth has stabilized into a sustainable institutional-grade market. Newark has already crossed the credibility threshold. The South Ward Movie Studio, a catalyst event. Now let's talk about what sophisticated investors watch for. Catalyst projects. The planned movie studio development in Newark's South Ward is not just a construction project, it is an economic multiplier. Film production infrastructure brings high-paying union jobs, permanent production crews, vendor ecosystems, hospitality demand, creative class migration, short and mid-term rental demand, ancillary retail and service growth. When media production plants roots in a city, it diversifies the employment base and stabilizes demand. Look at what studios did for Atlanta Albuquerque. Newark sits 20 minutes from Manhattan, connected by PATH, NJ Transit, highways, port, and one of the busiest airports in the country, Newark Liberty International Airport. You are not betting on isolation, you are investing in strategic adjacency. Why developers should pay attention. Developers, here is what matters. Land values are still rational compared to Hudson County. Construction spreads remain workable. Political leadership has shown consistent pro-development posture. Demand exists across multiple product types. Workforce housing, market-rate multifamily mixed-use adaptive reuse, industrial and logistics. Newark offers something rare. You can still create margin on the build. Try doing that in Hoboken. Try doing that in Jersey City, waterfront. The entry basis in those markets already compresses your upside. In Newark, you're not just buying yield, you're building into momentum. Why investors should care for investors. Cap rates remain more attractive than core NYC assets. Rent growth has proven resilient. Transit orientation reduces long-term vacancy risk. Institutional presence lowers systemic risk. This is not 1990s Newark. This is not 2008 Newark. This is a city with a growing educated workforce, Rutgers and NJIT pipeline corporate anchors, infrastructure investment, and now, entertainment sector expansion. The risk-adjusted return profile is shifting in your favor. The surrounding town effect. Let's zoom out. Markets like East Orange, Irvington, Harrison, Elizabeth. These towns benefit from Newark's upward pressure. As downtown pricing strengthens, capital radiates outward. Smart money doesn't just buy the center, it acquires the ring around the center. The strategic window. Every city has an inflection point. Newark's inflection point is now. The Renaissance is no longer theory. The skyline proves it. The corporations prove it. The rent rolls prove it. And the upcoming studio development signals continued diversification of the economic base. For the investor, you capture appreciation. For the developer, you create value at basis. For the long-term holder, you build generational cash flow in a city still climbing. Ladies and gentlemen, opportunities are rarely comfortable. They are recognized by those willing to see momentum before it becomes consensus. Newark is not asking for belief anymore. It is showing performance. The question is not whether Newark will continue to grow. The question is whether you will participate in the next chapter.
Thank you.